young men and women in this country. It is through this sector that we can be able to turn around the economy, that we can be able to grow our economy. So his commitment is real. You've seen what government has been able to do, and the farmers that are here, please take that as his word. And also remind you again, because as government we are getting better continually in the face of the registration of farmers. All the information that we are trying to pick, so that at least when we are rolling out the subsidies of the subsidy directly to the farmer, please we can partner with to ensure that whatever targets we set are able to manage. We are able to manage a process to deliver our end objective. So, and subsidy that we continually want to engage in support of our farmers. You realize that we are now attracting more people to get into this space. So the importance and the growth of this sector cannot be overemphasized. Flour itself, out of that 170, has contributed. Is a key serious sector.
It's doing very well. We're very the agriculture industry in this country. The best thing about the whole sector is for that we are very grateful, particularly to His Excellency the President Urimi. You heard from the CS, the floriculture horticulture industry is one of the biggest exporters of our country.